All right, my beautiful children. So we're going to start with week number 38. We are almost at the end of the school year. Aren't you guys excited? I am super excited, so let's begin. For our first day, Monday, we are going to be working with the last of the vocabulary, okay, that we have been studying. And then I am also going to show you some new words like dirty, smelly, dangerous, and we're going to recover some that we have already used. Reused, reduced, and recycle. After that, we are going to play a little bit of a memory game I prepared for you. And when we finish with that, I'm going to ask you where we can find something dirty, where we can find something recycled, and all of that. Okay, we're going to have a little discussion. And when we finish, we are going to take a piece of paper and we're going to divide it into 6 sections. And we're going to draw in each section one thing from the new vocabulary. One dirty thing, one reused thing, one smelly thing. Okay, so that's what we're going to do for Monday. And that's it. Then on Tuesday, my beautiful children, we continue practicing our small short phrases. So I'm going to have a plastic bag and I'm going to put several objects, trash objects, okay? Maybe a wrapper, a tuna can, a soda can, some lids, several objects. I'm going to be taking one by one and I'm going to ask you, can a wrapper be garbage? And you guys have to answer, yes, a wrapper can be garbage, or no, a wrapper cannot be garbage, okay? So we're going to do that. And then on a piece of paper, you guys are going to divide it into 2 sections. On one section, you are going to write the name of a trash item and you're going to draw it. And same thing on the other section. You are going to write the name of another trash item and you are going to draw that. And you're going to present it to everyone, okay? As an optional material, you can use magazines and scissors and glue, okay? So it's your choice. And then at 1:30 p.m., I have a class with you and we are going to be working on a small book about garbage, okay? You are going to make your own book. So we're going to take a piece of paper and we're going to cut 3 long stripes. Then with those stripes, we're going to fold them in half to have 6 little pages. We're going to start by drawing the name of your book and then we're going to start with our story. Hello, my name is Letty. I am sad because garbage is a big problem. Food can also be garbage. I separate my garbage into organic, inorganic, and recyclable. I want to help the planet, okay? Something simple like that. You guys are going to present your little book to everyone, okay? You're going to tell us your story, and that's what we're going to do. Then, on Wednesday, my beautiful children, we're going to remember a little bit of the new vocabulary. Smelly, dirty, dangerous. So, I'm going to show you some items, trash items, and we are going to discuss. How is the tuna can? Is the tuna can smelly? Is the tuna can dangerous? Is the tuna can dirty? Same thing with the wrapper or with a rotten tomato, okay? So we're going to discuss it and you guys are going to tell me. The rotten tomato is smelly or the rotten tomato is dangerous, okay? We're going to discuss that. And then we're going to remember the verbs that can be used with garbage, like pick up, recycle, separate, throw, reduce, okay? Verbs that we have been studying. And to finish, we are going to page number 36. And you guys are going to draw one or two of those objects, okay? If you want to write, you can write, but I will encourage you to draw instead, okay, my beautiful children? Then, for Thursday, on Thursday, we are going to be working with some dice, okay? I'm going to show you some objects, and then you, with your dice, you're going to roll it, and you have to choose one object. You have to tell me the name of that trash object, and then we're going to see how many points you get. After that, I'm going to show you what are the effects of pollution on Earth, okay? We have been discussing a little bit about this. So what happens when we pollute the water? What happens when we pollute the air, okay? What happens to us? What happens to animals? We're going to talk about that. And then you guys are going to take your markers, your watercolors, and your sheet, your paper sheet, and you are going to paint, according to you, what are the effects of garbage on the soil, on the earth, and on the water, okay? And you are going to present it to everyone. Now, for 1:30 p.m., we have another class. On this class, we are going to start forming words. We're going to start reading words. So first, we are going to check our ABCs. And when we finish with that, we are going to remember the sound of each letter. What sound does each letter make? We're going to review that, and then we're going to start creating words, okay? So we have consonant, vowel, consonant, small words. So that's why I asked you to have your alphabet letters, your alphabet cards, so we can start spelling and naming words, okay? So I'm going to guide you through this process, and it's going to be super interesting, my beautiful children. That's what we're going to do on Thursday. And finally, on Friday, this day, we are going to be working, we're going to be talking about Father's Day, okay? So what happens on Father's Day? Who are we celebrating? Why? How? When are we going to celebrate it? Okay, we're going to talk about that. You are going to talk about your fathers, my father, everything. And then we're going to make a really fun, simple card so you can give your dad with some nice coupons for him. Okay, so you can give your dad this card on Father's Day, okay? So that's for our first class. For our second class, we're going to be learning all about the letter C. Well, we're going to remember all about the letter C, okay? We're going to remember how to write it, what sound does it make, what are the words that begin with the sound of letter C. Then we're going to play. We're going to find the letter C, and to finish, you guys are going to take your piece of paper, and on that piece of paper, we are going to write a big letter C, and then we're going to draw some objects that begin with the letter C, okay? So this is just an example because you guys are going to do it by yourselves. And that's it. That's all we are going to do for Friday, my beautiful children. So we finished with all of our classes, with all of our work, and I hope you guys are going to have a nice weekend, okay? Remember, I love you. Stay safe. A big kiss for you. See you on the next video. Bye bye.